The year is 2134. Humanity has come a long way since the dawn of civilization. Our ancestors once looked up at the night sky, filled with wonder and curiosity, dreaming of what lay beyond the stars. They could only imagine the vastness of the universe, the countless stars, and the mysteries that awaited us in the cosmos. For centuries, humanity gazed at the stars. We built telescopes to peer deeper into the night sky, uncovering the secrets of distant galaxies and nebulae. The more we learned, the more our fascination grew. We realized that the universe was far more expansive and complex than we had ever imagined. We dreamed of reaching out. The idea of traveling to other planets and stars became a driving force for scientific and technological advancement. Visionaries and scientists worked tirelessly to turn these dreams into reality, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. We yearned to explore the cosmos. The first steps were taken with the launch of satellites and manned missions to the moon. These early achievements laid the groundwork for more ambitious endeavors. The dream of interstellar travel began to take shape, fueled by our insatiable curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. Finally, that dream became a reality. Advances in technology and engineering led to the development of powerful rockets and spacecraft capable of traveling vast distances. We embarked on missions to explore our solar system, sending probes to distant planets and moons, gathering invaluable data and expanding our understanding of the universe. We conquered the challenges of interstellar travel. The development of advanced propulsion systems, life support technologies, and sustainable habitats made it possible for humans to venture beyond our solar system. We overcame the obstacles of long-duration space travel, ensuring the safety and well-being of our astronauts on these pioneering missions. Powerful fusion engines propelled our spacecraft. These engines, harnessing the energy of nuclear fusion, provided the necessary thrust to travel at unprecedented speeds. With this breakthrough, we could now reach distant star systems within a human lifetime, opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. We could now journey to distant stars. Our spacecraft, equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems and advanced sensors, allowed us to chart a course through the cosmos. We set our sights on the nearest star systems, eager to uncover the secrets they held and to find new worlds that could potentially support life. Our first target was a star system, light years away. This system, known as Kepler-186, was identified as a promising candidate for exploration. It was located in the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be right for the existence of liquid water and, potentially, life. It was called Kepler-186. This star system, with its Earth-like exoplanet, captured our imagination and fueled our determination to reach it. The journey would be long and challenging, but the potential rewards were immense. We prepared our spacecraft and crew for the mission of a lifetime. This system promised a world like our own. Kepler-186f, the exoplanet in the habitable zone, showed signs of having an atmosphere and surface conditions similar to Earth. The possibility of finding a new home for humanity, or even discovering extraterrestrial life, drove us to push the boundaries of exploration. A world bathed in the warm glow of a sun-like star. As our spacecraft approached Kepler-186f, we marveled at the sight of this distant world. The golden sunlight illuminated its surface, revealing landscapes that were both familiar and alien. It was a moment of awe and wonder, a testament to the incredible journey we had undertaken. This world, we would soon discover, held wonders beyond our wildest dreams. As we began our exploration of Kepler-186f, we encountered alien flora and fauna unlike anything we had ever seen. The diversity and complexity of life on this distant planet were astounding, offering new insights into the possibilities of life in the universe. Our journey had just begun, and the future held endless opportunities for discovery and adventure. As our ship, the Odyssey, approached Kepler-186, we held our breath. The journey had been long and arduous, filled with countless challenges and moments of doubt. Yet, as we neared our destination, a sense of anticipation and excitement filled the air. We had traveled light years across the cosmos, leaving behind everything we knew, in search of a new home, a new beginning. There, in the distance, was a planet. It was unlike any we had ever seen before. The vastness of space had shown us many wonders, but this was different. This planet seemed to call out to us, beckoning us closer with its mysterious allure. It was as if it held secrets and stories from eons past, waiting to be discovered. It wasn't just any planet, though. This was a world that defied our understanding, a place where the ordinary rules of nature seemed to bend and twist. Its surface was a tapestry of colors and lights, each more mesmerizing than the last. We could hardly believe our eyes, and yet, there it was, a beacon of hope in the vast expanse of space. This world shimmered with a golden light. It was as if the planet itself was alive, radiating a warmth and brilliance that touched our very souls. The golden glow was unlike anything we had ever encountered, a phenomenon that seemed almost magical in its beauty. It was a sight that would be forever etched in our memories. It pulsed with an energy that captivated us all. We called it Solflora. The name seemed fitting for such a radiant and vibrant world. As we drew closer, we could feel the energy resonating within us, filling us with a sense of wonder and awe. It was as if the planet itself was welcoming us, inviting us to explore its many mysteries. Solflora was larger than Earth. Its immense size was both awe-inspiring and humbling. We couldn't help but marvel at the sheer scale of this new world. It was a reminder of just how small we were in the grand scheme of the universe, and yet, it also filled us with a sense of possibility and hope. Here was a place where we could start anew, where we could build a future for generations to come. Swirls of emerald green and sapphire blue danced across its atmosphere. The colors were vibrant and dynamic, shifting and changing with every passing moment. It was a living, breathing canvas, a masterpiece of nature's artistry. We were entranced by the beauty of it all, unable to look away from the mesmerizing display. But it was the golden light that truly set it apart. This radiant glow was a beacon, a guiding light that drew us ever closer. It was a symbol of hope and promise, a sign that we had finally found what we were searching for. The golden light was a reminder that even in the darkest corners of the universe, there was always a glimmer of hope. It emanated from the surface. The golden light seemed to flow from the very heart of the planet, spreading outwards in a radiant display. It was a sight that filled us with a sense of wonder and curiosity. What secrets did this world hold? What mysteries lay hidden beneath its golden surface? We were eager to find out. It hinted at the wonders that awaited us. The golden light was a promise of adventure and discovery, a sign that our journey was far from over. We were filled with a sense of excitement and anticipation, ready to explore this new world and uncover its many secrets. Solflora was a golden beacon, a symbol of hope and possibility in the vast expanse of space. Dr. Elena Merrick was our lead botanist. She had dedicated her life to studying plant life. Elena had always dreamt of discovering life on other planets. Now, as she gazed upon Solflora, tears welled up in her eyes. "It's beautiful," she whispered, her voice choked with emotion. "More beautiful than I ever imagined." Elena wasn't alone in her awe. A hush fell over the crew. We were all mesmerized by the golden planet. We were about to set foot on a world unknown. The Odyssey entered Solflora's atmosphere. It was a smooth descent. The golden glow intensified as we neared the surface. Finally, we touched down. We landed near a vast forest. Excitement crackled through the ship. Elena was the first to step onto the alien soil. She took a deep breath, her chest swelling with the fresh, clean air. "We're here," she said, her voice filled with wonder. "We're really here." Section 5. The Dance of the Sunflowers. The forest was unlike anything we had ever seen. Towering above us were giant sunflowers. They stretched hundreds of feet into the sky. Their golden petals seemed to drink in the light of Kepler 186. These sunflowers swayed rhythmically. They moved in unison, although there was no wind. We soon discovered the reason. Invisible magnetic currents flowed across the planet. The sunflowers danced gracefully to their tune. Section 6. A Symphony of Light. As night fell on Solflora, the planet came alive with light. The giant sunflower's petals emitted a soft bioluminescent glow. They bathed the landscape in a warm, golden light, but the sunflowers weren't the only source of light. The forest floor was carpeted in a bed of bioluminescent moss. It pulsed with an ethereal green light. The interplay of golden and green light created a symphony of color. It was a breathtaking spectacle. Section 7. Nature's Embrace. We soon discovered that nature and architecture were intertwined on Solflora. The native inhabitants, plant-like beings, had built their homes within the giant sunflowers. They had woven intricate dwellings from the sunflower's strong, fibrous stalks. These dwellings were marvels of organic architecture. They blended seamlessly with the surrounding environment. The inhabitants welcomed us with open arms. They were eager to share their knowledge of Solflora's wonders. Section 8. A New Eden. As we explored Solflora, we realized its potential. The planet was a treasure trove of biodiversity. Its rich resources and fertile soil offered hope. Solflora could be a new home for humanity. Elena, in particular, was optimistic. She believed that Solflora could teach us how to live in harmony with nature. This planet, she said, is a testament to the power and beauty of life itself. Section 9. A Universe of Wonder. Our journey to Solflora was a testament to the human spirit. It was a mission that took years of planning, countless hours of research, and the combined efforts of some of the brightest minds on Earth. The anticipation was palpable as we prepared to embark on this unprecedented voyage. The launch day was filled with a mix of excitement and anxiety, knowing that we were about to step into the unknown. Our thirst for knowledge and exploration had led us to a world beyond our wildest dreams. As we set foot on Solflora, we were greeted by landscapes that seemed to be pulled straight from a dream. The air was filled with a sense of mystery and wonder, and every step we took revealed something new and extraordinary. The terrain was unlike anything we had ever seen, with vibrant colors and unique formations that defied our understanding of geology. Solflora filled us with awe and wonder. The planet was a living tapestry of colors and textures, with flora that seemed to glow with an inner light. The giant sunflowers towering over us were a sight to behold. They swayed gently in the alien breeze, their petals shimmering under the strange yet beautiful sky. It was a reminder of the boundless creativity of nature and the endless possibilities that lay beyond our home planet. It reminded us of the infinite possibilities that the universe holds. Each star in the night sky represented a potential new world, a new adventure waiting to be discovered. The galaxy stretched out before us, a vast expanse of mystery and wonder. It was humbling to realize how small we were in the grand scheme of things, yet it also filled us with a sense of purpose and determination. We were explorers, driven by the desire to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. As we left Solflora, we knew that we would never forget its beauty. The memories of its landscapes, its skies, and its unique flora would stay with us forever. It was a place that had touched our souls and expanded our horizons. We felt a deep sense of gratitude for having had the opportunity to experience such a wondrous world. As the planet grew smaller in the distance, we couldn't help but feel a pang of sadness, knowing that we were leaving behind a piece of our hearts. We carried with us the hope that one day, humanity might find a new home among the stars. The journey back was filled with reflection and contemplation. We thought about the future of our species and the possibilities that lay ahead. The stars seemed to whisper promises of new beginnings and endless opportunities. We dreamed of a future where humanity could thrive in harmony with the universe, exploring new worlds and forging new paths. A home where we could live in harmony with nature, just like the inhabitants of Solflora. The vision of a peaceful coexistence with the natural world was a powerful one. It inspired us to think about how we could bring that vision to life on Earth. The inhabitants of Solflora had shown us that it was possible to live in balance with the environment, and we were determined to carry that lesson with us. We imagined a future where humans and nature could thrive together, creating a world of beauty and harmony. And